Cigarette smoking is injurious to health. It causes cancer.
আগুনের পরশমণি ছোঁয়াও প্রাণে এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো।
So, do you want to listen? The story of that boy. The boy and his bad luck. He is he's just fed up with his bad luck. The boy maybe he wants to be a writer because he loves to write. And his stories are marvelous. Trust me, it's just splendid. But it never got published, and it's not even his fault. It's just his bad luck. That's why. He committed suicide. The last of his life. It was disaster. He was calling someone. I clearly remember.
You fucking phone!
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. Why you disturbed me? Huh? Why you disturbed me? I was narrating something now. You know now? I don't like to be interrupted. Then why you disturbed me? So get back to the story. Where was I? Yeah. The boy. He woke up early that day in the morning because he had a meeting with the publisher. He was all decked up. But he didn't shave because he believed that his beard will protect him from his bad luck. So he went to the publisher's office to show his stories.
And you call yourself a writer? You just wasted my time, you fucking asshole. These stories are crap. Completely bullshit.
he got depressed. He knew it was not for him. It was just his fucking enemy. His bad luck. So what's the writer's name? Shakespeare. No. Not Shakespeare. I'm not getting the name. Leave it. A renowned writer says, when a person dies before their last breath, they get to see the best moment of their life in front of their eyes. And the boy, he knew it. He didn't commit suicide because of his bad luck. He did it to see his good luck. In the evening of that day, he came to his room. In his room, it was a treasury of literature. His bookshelf posted with Tagore and Shakespeare. And there is an old radio and a gramophone too on his study table. He always listened to the Tagore songs when he was about to write, though it was broken and the sound was not even clear. Still it used to give him inspiration, hopes and ideas. Get back to the story. In the evening of that day, he was so frustrated. He took a knife and slit his veins. And every drop of blood added color to his writing. A brilliant red. And he died when he was taking his last breath. The insult that he faced with the publisher flashed in front of his eyes. His rejection, his failure, his bad luck. The story doesn't end here. His body was as cold as ice. The rays of the sun brought up immense brightness all around, removing the darkness. The next morning, the bell rang, but no one opened the door. Coming! He got a letter from another publisher and his stories were selected and they'll publish that. But he was not alive to receive the letter. Like his stories, there's no happy ending in his own life. Was it his bad luck? Didn't you have any doubt? How I know a lot about this boy?
I know him very well.
Was the boy I'm talking about? It's me. It's obviously me. And it's my bad luck.
আগুনের পরশমণি ছোঁয়াও প্রাণে, আমার এই দেহ খানি তুলে ধরো, তোমার ওই দেবালয়ের প্রদীপ করো। আমার এই দেহ খানি তুলে ধরো, তোমার ওই দেবালয়ের প্রদীপ করো। নিশিদিন আলোক শিখা জ্বলুক গানে, নিশিদিন আলোক শিখা জ্বলুক গানে। আগুনের পরশমণি ছোঁয়াও প্রাণে, এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এ জীবন পূর্ণ করো, এ জীবন পূর্ণ